Hello, my name is Emmanuel Ugarte, and this is my presentation. Every car owner has been to see their local mechanic on many occasions, whether it be a routine oil change or something major. We all know we can count on our trusted mechanic to take care of our car's needs. The safety of people on the road lies in the hands of a mechanic, but what about their safety on the job? This presentation will explain the hardships that many mechanics face in their jobs day in and day out. After replenishing injuries or times and materials, there may be that instant cleaning smaller duty cars high priority, whether they reacquire oil cutters or more major problems. Mechanics try and get the all throughout the day. It's may be a slippery shot. Resistant shoes happen. In the mechanic, a simple and a major cut, grieving and moving with import but bad serious injury, so of heavy left nerve damage. Chemicals can be, and it is from the skin. And blind chemicals without being of these chemicals, if not with proper care, vehicle have many. Whoa. Shop owners have many duties outside of being a regular mechanic, ordering parts, employees, and can mean late night. The job a lot easier that way. Maybe if they were told their car and they may change if there were or if fixes are to be in some cases unique to a certain car. This can mean that order and this can do the most important satisfaction personal is less time the customer wear and tear on an injury can job or even burnout can multiple times a week. The mechanic will to regroup family time at work. Strain their everyday work appreciated with notice and lives. Without facing risk now every day appreciated for what they face a week will make for a rough but a mechanic need of help.